Ciao Tesla people, I just did the update for the summer update from Tesla, and the software is 2024.26.3.1, and one of the things that they change is the climate panel. So if I go to the climate, you'll see the things that have changed. I'm going to put on top, on the sides, the older one so you can compare it. But from what you see, there is a panel up here where there is a, okay, let me go back here. There is a top panel where you can keep the vent going, dog mode and camp mode, and then all the icons are on top, beside where here on the left, and there is auto, okay, auto. And if you so if you put auto, it does everything by itself. But if you select auto, you can say easy on top, on front of you, on your feet, front and rear. So rear you can turn on, go back to the front, and of course you can turn on the heated seats. Okay, I don't want to do that. It's 31 degrees outside, and the heated seats, the heated windshield, heated steering wheels, and here for fogs and stuff again. And these are the fan speed, auto, so it circulates the air, and then bioweapon. Okay, and this is the heated seats. You can schedule, of course. Let me go back again and do the auto. What I would like to see, if you see on top of here, there is the weather and the air quality. Okay, so if you press on that, it will show you the air quality and the weather in your location. Okay, but here on the bottom there is the air quality index. Now it's moderate and 72 in Florence. We have a heat wave, so it sucks the air, and there is pollution, of course, in Florence. So I would like to see here an option that says bioweapon. That is down here for Model Y. It will turn on if the air quality is bad, an automatic thing, like for example auto, and we say auto and it's connected to the air quality. So if the air quality is bad, it will turn automatically on, and in that case you know, of course, that air quality sucks. That's an improvement that I would like to see. So these are the changes on the climate. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel to know notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.